Hey there, welcome back to Money Matters Made Easy. I'm Izzy, your host, and today we're diving into a topic that's perfect for our reset and refresh Sundays: digital finance spring cleaning. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is digital finance spring cleaning? Well, it's all about taking the time to tidy up and organize our digital financial lives. Just like we clean out our closets and declutter our physical spaces, it's important to do the same with our digital finances. So let's get started with some interesting and helpful facts about digital finance spring cleaning. Did you know that the average person has multiple financial accounts and apps? From banking apps to investment platforms, it's easy to lose track of where our money is going. That's why spring cleaning our digital finances is crucial for staying on top of our financial health. One of the first steps in digital finance spring cleaning is to review and update your passwords. Using strong, unique passwords for each of your financial accounts can help protect you from cyber threats. Consider using a password manager to keep track of all your passwords securely. Another important aspect of digital finance spring cleaning is reviewing your subscriptions. We often sign up for free trials or monthly subscriptions and forget about them. Take the time to cancel any subscriptions you no longer use or need. This will not only save you money, but also declutter your digital life. It's also a good idea to review your financial apps and delete any that you no longer use. Having too many apps can clutter your phone and make it harder to stay organized. Keep only the apps that you find useful and delete the rest. Lastly, don't forget to back up your financial data. Whether it's your budgeting spreadsheets or important financial documents, make sure you have a secure backup in case of any technical issues or data loss. Remember, digital finance spring cleaning is all about taking control of your financial life and setting yourself up for success. By decluttering, organizing, and securing your digital finances, you'll feel more confident and in control of your money. So let's make this Sunday the start of your digital finance spring cleaning journey. Take small steps each week to tidy up your digital financial life, and you'll be amazed at the positive impact it can have on your overall financial well-being. Thanks for tuning in today, and I'll see you next time with more tips and tricks to make money matters easy. Stay positive and keep striving for financial success.